Hello everyone! What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics who are working here in the shop with me, so relax, we're going to get this fixed. When your Chevy Bolt shows the message unable to charge, the first thing is to take a deep breath and don't panic. It doesn't mean your Bolt is broken or that the battery exploded. Basically, the car is saying, hey, I can't start charging. Take a look before things get worse. It's kind of like when your phone won't charge and shows that low battery face, but more serious. The most common cause comes from the charger or connection. Many mechanics say the message shows up because the cable isn't delivering power properly or the charging station is acting up. Sometimes just unplugging and plugging the cable back in brings everything back to normal. Others even suggest trying a different charger or station because sometimes the problem is outside the Bolt. Another thing that can cause issues is the car's charging port itself. Dust, dirt, moisture, or even just the weight of the cable can confuse the Bolt. Cleaning the port, checking that nothing is loose, and making sure the connector is properly seated can solve a lot of cases. It's like cleaning a plug at home that's making your lamp flicker. Just a simple adjustment, and it works. If the port and charger are fine, the next suspect is the Bolt's internal system. Sometimes the warning appears due to an electronic glitch, small software errors after updates or power changes. Many mechanics have reported that simply restarting the vehicle or disconnecting the 12-volt battery for a minute makes the message disappear like magic. It's like when your computer slows down and a restart fixes everything. Now, if after all this the message still shows up, there may be a more serious internal issue. Some modules in the internal charger or the charging port actuator could be failing. In rare cases, a group of traction battery cells may be very low, and the system blocks charging for safety. At this point, it's best to go to the shop and run a professional scan to pinpoint exactly which part is causing the problem.